Hello everyone, in this video we will see an example related to the volume of a cylinder. This example is about a well and an embankment built around the well. Don't forget to find Grasp and Learn on YouTube, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos. Let's look at the question that we have. A well of diameter 3 meters is dug 14 meters deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meters to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So the image here shows how the embankment of a well looks like. The question says that a well is dug. The earth or the soil taken out of the well is used to build this embankment. So we need to find the height of the embankment. The figure here shows a well which is dug 14 meters deep and has a diameter of 3 meters. It shows a shape of a cylinder. The earth or the mud taken out of the well is spread evenly around it in the shape of a circular ring which is of width 4 meters to form an embankment. So we need to find the height of this embankment. As we saw in the previous pictures, both the well and the embankment are in the form of a cylinder. The embankment, however, looks like a hollow cylinder. Now the embankment is made out of the soil taken off the well. So how much soil we got out of the well, that much soil we have used to make the embankment. So we can say that volume of well will be equal to volume of the embankment because we have used the equal amount of soil or earth that we have got from the well to build this embankment. So we will solve further using the relation that volume of well is equal to volume of embankment. Now for the volume of well, it is given that diameter is 3 meters. So the radius becomes diameter by 2, which is 3 by 2, giving us 1.5 meters. Height of the well dug is 14 meters. We have seen in our previous videos that volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So using this formula, we will further calculate the volume of the well. Substituting r is equals to 1.5 and h is equals to 14 meters. We get that volume of cylinder is equals to 31.5 pi meter cube. We have not substituted the value of pi over here, which will make the calculations easier further. The embankment is built around the well, so it looks like a hollow cylinder with the well in between. So for this embankment, inner diameter is nothing but the diameter of the well, which is 3 meters. So internal radius or the inner radius becomes 3 by 2, that is 1.5 meters. The external radius will be nothing but the internal radius plus width, that is 1.5 meters plus 4 meters, giving us 5.5 meters. Now to calculate the volume of a hollow cylinder, we need to calculate the volume of outer cylinder and subtract from it the volume of internal cylinder or the inner cylinder. So volume of internal cylinder with radius r1 becomes pi r1 square h, giving us pi 1.5 square h, and volume of external cylinder with radius r2, that is 5.5 meters, becomes pi into 5.5 square into h. When we subtract the volume of internal or the inner cylinder from the outer cylinder, we obtain the volume of embankment. So solving this, taking pi h common and substituting the values of 5.5 square and 1.5 square, we obtain volume of embankment as 28 pi h meter cube. Again, we have not substituted pi and the value of h we need to calculate, so we will keep it as it is. The unit for volume is meter cube, so that is what we have used here. Now, as explained earlier, since the soil taken out of the well is used to build the embankment, the volume of well is equal to the volume of embankment because we have the equal amount of soil used. So as calculated earlier, we can say that volume of well which was equal to 31.5 pi and volume of embankment which was equal to 28 pi h are both equal. Now pi on both the sides will get cancelled. To get the value of h, we have 31.5 upon 28, which becomes 1.125 meters. So we can say that height of embankment will be equal to 1.125 meters.